He's snuggling with Chow Chow? No, it looks like Snuggles.
Mamas, I have to.
Ja, Hitler! Hitler!
So I was like, wow, how do you do it? Wow, it's so good. How do you do it, dude? I don't know, dude. I don't know.
Wow, thank you.
Она молодец. Она молодец.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Oh, good boy. Well, ăn quơ quơ quá. Ăn quơ quơ quá. Ăn quơ quơ quá. Ăn quơ quơ quá. Ăn quơ quơ. Yeah, be quicker than that, buddy.
Regardez, il me fait grave la gueule. Vous avez vu? Il me montre ses dents.
Calm down, boy. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. No. You.
The owner is just a paid human elevator. Better view, better squirrels.
Ow! What are you doing?
Joseph. Hey.
Admit it, this is you every time walking by a mirror surface.
Bruh.
Mabel. Mabel.
Audacity. He clearly expects a silver platter.
Nè, nè, chịu con cô mất quá à.
No, Bogey, get down. Get down. Folks, get down. Get down.
Baby, hey, love, you gotta be gentle with him, okay? That's not mama and dad, baby. Okay, okay, he's okay.
Or if you're on the nice list,
Sir, your dog's ball sack is under his chin. Hi.
That's my dog, Lainey Wilson. She gets her own ice.
Drop the stick. Get in the car. No, Missy.
Not me. Oh, I can't.
Oh, right in my mouth.
No bite.
Come on.
for real, my dog is the biggest snob ever. Look.
Ты можешь брать хотя бы старые подушки, Мадран?
Two squirrels per tree, there might be more. And there's 50,000 trees. 50,000 times 2 is 100,000 squirrels, and I've peed on.
That's my dog, Lainey Wilson. She gets her own ice.
Give it.
Planting his heirloom giraffe toy so it will grow in. For real, my dog is the biggest snob ever. Look.
Excuse me. What are you doing? Louvre. Louvre, stop. Does anyone else's know?
River, outside. River, outside. Outside. Outside.
Doggo's officially found his summer vacation infinity pool. The warning signal before parking in the lot is necessary.
Be quiet.
Oh, over there? Oh! You posing? Wow! Look at you, beautiful girl.
Seems like she's rehearsing for the Black Swan sequel.
Here it is. Yay! Oh my god. Oh, look at that.
My keyboard. How am I supposed to?
Thank you.
Mamas, I have to.
I love you.
Yes. Oh, I knew it. I knew you were gonna do it. You're so. What's that? Oh!
Cookie. Onde é este?
Come on. Good boy. Get your mother. Good boy.
He's snuggling with Chow Chow? No, it looks like Snuggles.
Where's Luna?
Where's Luna?
Luna!
Don't judge.
Just a little bitty duck. My dad used to rock me.
What's wrong, son? What's wrong?
She's just beautiful.
She's just beautiful.
Tá desempregado. Se alguém estiver precisando de um ajudante, vamos pegar outro.
Two squirrels per tree, there might be more. And there's 50,000 trees. 50,000 times 2 is 100,000 squirrels, and I've peed on.
His popcorn manifesting paid off.
Suspicious, don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious.
Mandatory memo on proper poor etiquette.
suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
What are you doing? Louvre. Louvre, stop.
He's gonna get yelled at.
He's not my child. I'm gonna have to get a new one.
Wow, thank you.
Number 44. Woo! 44, that's me!
Calm down, boy. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. No.
Tommy.
Ellie, how are you?
Yes. Oh, I knew it. I knew you were gonna do it. You're so.
Hell yeah. Don't hit the pool. Not too much now. Okay.
Seems like she's rehearsing for the Black Swan sequel. Mandatory memo on proper paw etiquette.
Baby, hey, love, you gotta be gentle with him, okay? That's not mama and dad, baby. Okay, okay, he's okay.
It's open, open the door.
Good job.
Get him, puppy.
Ellie, how are you?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Oh, good boy.
She's not ours. She's yours.
Yeah.
I
little bitty duck. My dad used to rock me.
Ăn quơ quơ quá. Ăn quơ quơ quá. Ăn quơ quơ quá. Ăn quơ quơ quá. Ăn quơ quơ.
Good boy. Come on in.
Good job.
Go home. You got to get in. Girl, stop. No, I'm gonna turn you this way, and you don't be trying to fight.
These hilarious pups made you smile. Please smash that like and subscribe button for more funny dog videos.
You go outside, Roo. Let's go outside.
Look at me.
Oh my gosh, shut up.
It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't even.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at? Oh, headbutt.
No, Bogey, get down. Get down. Folks, get down. Get down.
Hey, Stormy. Maybe a little petting. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, she is very soft. Look at the size of her though. Shit.
The owner is just a paid human elevator. Better view, better squirrels.
You want a treat, buddy? You want a treat? Got your ass. Oh.
You just want a sneaker kiss.
Maybe what?
You just want a sneaker kiss.
You just want to get yelled at.
He's not my child. I'm gonna have to get a new one.
4 o'clock. We eat dinner at 5 o'clock. There's this thing. It's called daylight savings. It's called, no, this, you're not going to change my mind if you come on this side. It's called daylight.
Niño.
What's wrong, son? What's wrong?
She's just beautiful.
She's just beautiful.
Be quiet.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today we'll dive into the funniest canine moments.
Color name.
Pumpkin. Daisy. Go get him.
My. Oh my
Lawmakers are still discussing the fencing around the Capitol complex.
Number 44. Woo! 44, that's me!
Human, you've got a very important request.
He's crying. No, he's crying. Bájate de ahí. Abajo. Hermes. Abajo. Dale.
Yeah, be quicker than that, buddy.
Relax, it's me. How are you? Hi, you bunny bun. Stop shouting, Ghost. Stop shouting. You are shouting.
That's the advanced do not disturb security posture.
Drop the stick. Get in the car. No, Missy.
Watch until the end. He's got a surprise in store for you.
Ja, Hitler! Hitler!
Push. Here it is. Yay! Oh my god. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Hello. You want a treat, buddy? You want a treat? Got your ass. Oh.
It's gonna get you, Todd.
She's not ours, she's yours.
Whisper.
Human, you've got a very important request.
What are you doing?
The warning signal before parking in the lot is necessary.
He's so excited for his new cactus toy.
Yeah, she's like, oh, look at all these men.
Yeah, that leg
Green
moving.
chocolate men. I like a vanilla.
Yeah, vanilla is here. Vanilla.
Just stopped on a random road. Hi, sweetheart.
Excuse me. Where you think you're taking my caña, man? Oh, close the fridge. Close it. Oh my god. You good girl.
Этого делать. Дэнни, не залазь на диван. Мама только что его очистила, твоя шерсть.
His popcorn manifesting paid off.
Wallace.
Hell yeah. Don't hit the pool. Not too much now.